The ORICO portable laptop stand comes with this little drawstring pouch, and it is all aluminum except for these, I guess they're silicone pads that help it from sliding around when it's on your desk. The way that it works is it unfolds like this, so it can fold flat, and then it opens up like an X, like that. Now, one end has these flip out feet that have silicone pads. That's the part that holds the front part of your laptop, like that. And the back part has these little stands that help you put the back of this stand in the right angle. See, when you pull that leg open, this little support pops out. Let me show you that again. See how it's made? And when you pull that out, it falls open, and then there's the slots that help you adjust the angle. So this top slot would be the most extreme angle for your laptop, and the one on the bottom would be the most shallow angle for your laptop, like that. So let's put it on the middle. And then I'm going to show you my iPad and what it looks like when you set it on the stand. So here it is, and I'm just going to set it here on the stand like that. That is the middle height adjustment, and let's go ahead and put it at the very highest. It's so easy. I mean, you can see how I'm doing it right there. Let's put it right here, and you can see what that looks like. And then let's put it at the most shallowest angle. It's almost flat, but not quite. Gives you a little bit of an angle to put the back of your laptop or your iPad with a keyboard. And you can see what that looks like. So this is pretty handy. And the best part is when you're done with it, all you have to do is just let that little foot fall down, flip these feet back in place, then just close that up, and then fold it, and then put it in your drawstring pouch. Pretty easy. I mean, this could go in your backpack. If you're at a coffee shop and want a little bit better ergonomic angle for your laptop while you're working, it works great. Or put it on your desk. I like it.